Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete Gmail account permanently. For more information about this tutorial, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Without any delay, let's get started. Open any browser. Go to gmail.com. Log in to your account. Click on the profile photo on the top right of the window. Then, a drop-down menu will open. Select Manage your Google account. Then, a new tab will open. From the left menu, select Data and Personalization. Scroll down to find Delete option. Click on Delete a service or your account option as showing in the tutorial. Then, you will see 4 options. Choose Delete a Google service. Now, you have to enter password to verify. Provide email password, and click on Next. Then, you will find the services associated with the mail. Select Gmail, and click on Delete icon. Then, it asks to enter a mail address, and click on Send Verification Mail. A verification mail will be sent to that mail address. Your Gmail will not be deleted until the mail is verified. Hope you liked this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description.